Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to set screen time passcode on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X for your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the screen time. Then in the screen time, scroll down and find the use screen time passcode, then click. And after that, in this part, set a 4-digit passcode for your screen time. For example, I want to enter this. Just click the 4-digit pin that you want. Then re-enter the screen time passcode that you create. Then after that, a pop-up will appear, then click the skip. And that's it. We have successfully set a screen time passcode on iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.